fake news, speculation. So, the best lang talaga yan para hindi tayo mahulog sa fake news or what. Just wait for the official statement
From the family. Correct.
any of the family. It could be VP Sara, it could be Congressman Polo. Pero mas maganda manggaling sa kanila.
Correct.
Because, you know, that's the official.
Or the defense lawyer, the lead defense counsel, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman.
Ano na yun?
Or si Attorney Nicholas
Or,
Kaufman.
yes, Tony Kaufman. I met him yesterday.
Yesterday.
Pero just, passing.
Passing lang. Okay.
Akala ko kasi when I saw him sa mga live, tangkad nito. Kung nakita ko, maliit pala. Maliit pala.
Gamay lang ligas.
Ano ito, sir?
Tapos parang hindi abogado, kaya parang yung pangloob niya, jogger lang.
Sir, ganito kasi dito, sir. Comfortable.